Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of Tech Wafer. Hopefully you are having a great day. Dil here, your host. Now let's get started with the unboxing of an exciting smartphone that's available in the market right now, and it is just launched at the price point of 29,999 Pakistan rupees and almost 250 US dollars. The device that we're talking about is Infinix Note 10 Pro. Speaking about its key features, it has MediaTek's Helio G95 chipset along with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. It has 6.95 inches massive display, that's an IPS panel we're talking about, and that comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate and 180 Hz touch sampling rate, which is great for gamers out there. And apart from that, it also has this 5000 mAh battery that's to be charged with a 33 watt fast charging. And that's not all. It also has a 16 megapixel selfie shooter at the front in a punch hole cutout and a 64 megapixel camera at the back, and it's a quad camera setup. We'll talk about specific features in the specific section in the later part of the video, so stay tuned and let's get on with the unboxing. Speaking about the design of Infinix Note 10 Pro, even though it is a large smartphone with a massive battery, but yet it feels comfy in the hand. You can use and operate the smartphone single-handedly. The power button and the volume rockers both are easily approachable. You can use them single-handedly without using your second hand. In this punch hole cutout at the front, you are getting a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. And as far as the bezels are concerned, this phone has tiny bezels at the left, right and the top, but the bezels on the chin are comparatively bit thicker, but that is okay because this phone also carries a massive display. Switching the device to the right side, you will find the placement of volume rockers along with the power button, and the power button also has this fingerprint scanner embedded on it, which works really fast. The left side of the phone houses a SIM tray that carries a dedicated micro SD card slot, so you'll not have to sacrifice the SIM to expand your storage. And I personally think that the 128 gigs of internal storage is enough for most of the users. As far as the bottom of the phone is concerned, you're getting the speaker grill along with a USB Type-C connector and a microphone along with 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, you're still getting the 3.5mm headphone jack to the back of the smartphone. I really love the back of this particular smartphone because it has this matte finish and the matte texture at the back. You can hear this voice. And you'll also see the camera placement at the top that houses a quad camera setup, and primary sensor is a 64 megapixel one along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor combined with a 2 megapixel macro lens. We'll check out their performance later in the camera section. The Infinix Note 10 Pro has 6.95 inches IPS panel at the front with 500 nits of peak brightness, and that is coupled with 1080 to 2460 pixels of resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate along with 180 Hz of touch sampling. That definitely improves the overall gaming experience. And as far as the quality and the media experience of the Infinix Note 10 Pro is concerned, you can even enhance it further by opting for the pre-orders of Infinix Note 10 Pro starting from 21st of May, where you will get Infinix iRockers. They are the TWS earbuds of Infinix. They are definitely going to enhance your gaming experience. As far as the software of the Infinix Note 10 Pro is concerned, you are getting Android 11.0, and at the top of that sits XOS 7.6, the skin of Infinix, and it has been improved. You get the latest and up-to-date Android 11.0's features coupled with the XOS Touch. You can slide and hold the smartphone from the left or the right corner where you'll get a feature tab that allows you to capture screenshot, lock the smartphone, crop feature, record the screen, and the default apps that you can add into it for quick access. And apart from that, they've also added the stock Android apps like the dialer, the messages, and contacts, which consumes a lot less resources. So overall, I think that Infinix is moving towards the better software, and it's good to find out that a brand cares for its customer. However, the XOS is not yet perfect. You still get the annoying notification and a lot of pre-installed apps, even though they can be uninstalled using a tap, but they'll still be called bloatwares. Overall, the Infinix skin has been improved and they've worked on it, so thumbs up to Infinix for doing that. Moving forward to the performance section, the Infinix Note 10 Pro has MediaTek's Helio G95 chipset, and the variant that I have with us has 256 GB of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. And as far as the benchmarks are concerned, you can get a decent benchmark scores on Geekbench 5, on Antutu, and also 3D Mark. And the scores are on your screen right now compared to its competitive smartphones. So as far as the benchmarks are concerned, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is offering quite decent benchmark scores here, and not just that, but you will not find any kind of lag while you are playing games like PUBG and Call of Duty on this smartphone. And I do hope that this phone can also run the Genshin Impact, that is definitely a most hyped game these days. This phone really offers an optimal performance with an optimized software and also a reasonably well hardware, and I think it is one of the best hardware that they're offering in this particular price segment. So as far as the performance is concerned, compared to its price, it is one of the finest and maybe the most well-performer smartphone in this price segment. Speaking about the cameras, you can check the quality of the selfies and as well as the samples from its back camera on your screen right now. You can judge its quality and let me know how did you find it in the comment section, and if you notice any problem, you can let me know that as well. Here's a front cam sample. You can judge the quality on your own. I'm walking through a path which has bright and the dim light both. I'll be walking out the door, so you can check the exposure control of the smartphone as well from the front cam. As far as the battery and the battery life of the Infinix Note 10 Pro is concerned, you are getting 5000 mAh battery in this particular smartphone that is coupled with 33 watt of fast charging. And as far as the charging speed is concerned, I have drained its battery to 0% and then plugged it. The 33 watt charger managed to charge the smartphone up to 100% in 1 hour and 40 minutes almost. As far as the battery life is concerned, this phone can last a day or two depending on your use. If you are an excessive smartphone user who plays a lot of game, watches a lot of content on YouTube and Netflix, then this phone can last a day and you'll still have some juice left for the night. But if you're a casual smartphone user who do not use a smartphone a lot, then this phone can easily last 2 days without plugging your smartphone into the power brick again. So as far as the charging speed is concerned, I find it satisfactory. Okay, so that is pretty much it about the unboxing and the first impression of Infinix Note 10 Pro, which turns out to be a quick review. If you really did enjoy this video, a like and a sub to the channel would be incredible, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you never miss another update from us. And I'd like to mention once again that you can avail 12 GB of internet if you are a Zong customer when you buy Infinix Note 10 Pro, and you can also join the X Club, which is Infinix social network. And if you pre-order this smartphone starting from 21st of May, you can get these Infinix TWS earbuds that definitely are going to increase your overall media and the gaming experience a lot. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.